I like the digital zoom the other one has.
Right here we have a rare species of bird. He likes only the minnows right by the dock, and that's it. He's eaten about 20 of them since we've been here about 20 minutes ago. He creeps along the riverbanks with his long beak. I can't do it. I can't do it. What? Oh. Here's another rare species, the Atlantic Ocean crab. But don't stick your hand in it, they will bite your hand right off. They are very dangerous in this area. Oh! Back to the birds over here on the right. There they are, those little buggers. Nothing.